Now, what is very important in participating or submitting a particular organization to a national search or a competition for that matter is the preparation of the documents. Because first thing first, the assessment should be document-based. So we are assisting the barangay in coming up with a more comprehensive document that features the accomplishments of the Lupong Tagapamayapa in a certain period. Our assessment now is from January to December of a particular year. So, 12 months of performance. Yun ang dino-document. Before, the period of assessment is from July of the previous year to June of the current year. Yun ang period of assessment. The third thing that we provided for them is a close coordination. Kasi it's important that the Lupong Tagapamayapa should establish a good linkage with different agencies like the Philippine National Police, including the Department of Agrarian Reform with regards to land disputes, our court with regards to cases, the LGU itself, because the provision of funding supports for the implementation of Katarungan Barangay and the strengthening of lupons in the different barangays is under the command of the mayor actually. So the administrator or the administering officer or the person responsible in the administration of Katarungan Barangay is the local city executive, the coordination, and the activities provided for the lupons strengthening is always supported by the local government. So the fact that the Barangay Poblacion o Barobo made it as a national winner for the first to third class municipalities, to this category A, in last year's assessment, for now they are Lupong Tagapamayapa Barangay Poblacion is vying again for the second time, and we are hoping and we are confident that Barangay Poblacion, Lupong Tagapamayapa Barangay Poblacion will